In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to favorite shops or even items on your Etsy account or website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you to this page. If you are logged into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are now logged into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option. Maybe it will be here. And of course, from there, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. You'll be able to do with both options, even with your Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating one. Of course, once you did one of those options, you will find yourself, as we said, here in this home page with the welcome back sentence. So first of all, if you want to favorite items, let me just favorite some items. Let's say those as an example. Let me just go into this item and favorite the shop. Going down, go to the shop, shop favorites. Now, of course, when I find myself here, simply I'm just going to click at the heart icon at the top right corner, which is the favorites, and here I will find my favorite items and either my favorite shop right here. So of course, if you're in favorite items, simply just go to the heart icon again and click on it again, and of course, and check this, click done. Do this for the remaining icon or item, and it will be removed from favorites, which will unfavorite it. So for the shop, just go and click on it on the shop, and that will open this for you. Just go and hit click at the heart icon again, and as you can see, it's removed from favorites. Now if I go to favorites again, I'll find nothing on my favorites. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.